Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure to be joined with Joe Andrews. He's a candidate for the position of the council in the town of Orangeville. Thank you for being here today, Joe.
Thank you, Bradley.
So I wanted to give you an opportunity to speak to the voters themselves. Tell us why you think you should be a councillor for the town of Orangeville.
Thank you for the opportunity. My name is Joe Andrews, and I am honored to be running for a seat in council in this fall's Orangeville municipal election. I've been part of Orangeville's fabric for almost 30 years, and I believe that we need a new and fresh perspective on council. Residents of this great community deserve an experienced voice that will represent and speak on their behalf. My platform is simple. I will be noted for my integrity, I will apply fiscal responsibility, and I will champion personal and collective accountability in all decisions made at Orangeville Council. I truly feel, in fact, I know that I have what it takes to be a councillor for the people of this community. I bring extensive private and public sector experience, I bring civility, and I'm known to get things done that will enable our community to benefit for the short and long term. I express to each member of our community to educate yourself on each person that is running for a seat on Orangeville Council. Do they have the integrity? Do they have the capability and willingness to work together and for the community? I cannot stress how important this election is for Orangeville in 2018. This election will determine a lot for the good of our community for now and for its future. Remember to cast your vote on October the 22nd, and please consider me for a seat on Orangeville Council as councillor. My name is Joe Andrews, and thank you.
Thank you very much, Joe. And like Joe finished saying, if you are interested in more of these videos, please feel free to take a look below, and please do go out and vote. It's a huge part of making sure we have a vibrant democracy.